In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Tennessee State. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the correct court portal, pull up your citation, review the details, and complete a secure payment without any confusion. Start by going to the official website for the court listed on your ticket. Tennessee courts are organized locally, so the payment portal depends on the city or county that issued the citation. An easy way to get there is to search the court named on your ticket along with keywords like pay ticket, pay citation online, or traffic violation portal. For example, larger cities such as Knoxville and Nashville operate their own online payment portals. Make sure you're on an official government site, typically ending in .gov. And look for a page labeled Pay Ticket, Pay Citation Online, or Traffic Violation Portal before moving forward. Once you're in the correct portal, it's time to find your ticket. The site will prompt you for one or more pieces of information. Common options include your citation or ticket number, your name and date of birth, your driver's license number, or your vehicle tag number. The exact fields vary by court, so enter whatever the portal requests. If you don't have your citation number handy, your name and date of birth or your driver's license number often work as alternatives. Keep in mind that newly issued tickets may take a few days to appear online, so if nothing shows up right away, check back again soon. When your record appears, review the ticket details carefully before paying, confirm the violation type, the total fine and any added fees, and the due date or court date. Everything on the screen should match the information on your paper citation. If something looks off, pause and verify, rather than submitting a payment that might not apply to your case. If the details are correct, proceed to payment. Select your case, enter your debit or credit card information, and follow the prompts to submit. Most portals add a small processing fee to online transactions, which will be shown before you confirm. Use a secure internet connection and avoid refreshing the page while the payment is processing to prevent duplicate charges. After you pay, save your receipt. Download the confirmation page or take a clear screenshot and keep it as proof of payment. Many portals also send a confirmation by email, but it's still smart to store your own copy. That's it. Your online payment is complete.